Did you know eating just one simple food before 8 a.m. can delay leg muscle aging by up to 10 years? It's not a supplement or medication, it's a common breakfast most seniors skip. Research shows this one habit helps adults over 60 maintain leg strength, boost balance, reduce night cramps, and lower muscle loss risk by up to 72%. Sadly, many unknowingly weaken their legs each morning with the wrong foods, or none at all. Your first meal determines whether your legs stay strong or deteriorate. After fasting overnight, skipping breakfast or drinking only coffee forces the body to break down muscle, especially in the legs. Over time, this leads to poor stability, muscle cramping, and even loss of independence. In a Tufts University study, older adults regained up to 35% leg strength in just 8 weeks, simply by adjusting their breakfast. The cause, sarcopenia, affects millions over 60, leading to falls, poor circulation, and even cognitive decline. The good news? You can reverse this. A nourishing breakfast jumpstarts muscle repair, supports balance, and prevents decline. Powerful breakfasts that strengthen aging legs. 1. Whole eggs with veggies. Loaded with leucine, vitamin D, and quality protein, eggs help rebuild muscle. Add spinach or peppers for extra minerals. Eat within an hour of waking for best results. 2. Oatmeal with chia seeds and berries. Oats reduce inflammation. Chia seeds provide magnesium, potassium, and omega-3s for muscle contraction. Berries boost recovery with antioxidants. 3. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that fuels muscles for hours. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that reduces soreness and supports healing. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more content, and share it with a friend or loved one who needs it.